Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to cook Nandos style chicken at home in a conventional oven. First off, the preparation of the chicken. Here I'm using a 900 g whole chicken which we will spatchcock or butterfly. Some people like using a knife to do this, but I find it's much easier and safer to use a decent pair of kitchen shearers. Hold the chicken like so and then carefully cut along the side of the spine, taking extra care not to accidentally cut your fingers. Then repeat the process on the other side of the spine. Next, remove the excess skin, the yucky bits. Some people like to remove the breastbone, but I find it unnecessary. I just give it a good snip in the middle of the breastbone, flip it over and press down. And there we have it, a spatchcocked chicken ready to marinate. Before marinating, I like to pierce the chicken several times with a fork all the way down to the flesh, allowing the flavour of the sauce to be absorbed. Next, liberally add the marinade sauce to the chicken. This can be any good quality sauce of your choice. I like to add a Portuguese garlic and pepper sauce, which I have provided a link to in the description. Nandos sauces available in most UK supermarkets are also a good choice for great tasting chicken. Ideally, it's recommended to leave the chicken marinating in the fridge overnight, but I never do as I'm always pressed for time. By piercing the chicken, it allows a lot of the flavour to be absorbed whilst cooking anyway. Place the chicken on a wire rack. I like to line the bottom of the tray with foil. This protects and prevents ruining the tray with burnt on drippings. It's important not to place the chicken too close to the heating element, otherwise you'll end up with a totally burnt and dried out chicken. For best results, I recommend placing it in the middle of the oven. A 900 g chicken like this one takes exactly 60 minutes to cook with my method. For a chicken of 1 kg and 300 g, for example, I would add another 20 minutes to the total cooking time. The first 15 to 20 minutes we want the oven set to a high heat in order to brown and slightly char the skin. This step is crucial, so keep a close eye to check if the skin is not being charred too much. Then for the remaining time, 40 minutes for this 900 g chicken, I reduce the temperature right down to 140 degrees, that's 280 degrees in Fahrenheit. This slowly cooks the chicken, making it very tender and juicy. And dinner is served. I always look forward to cooking this meal as it's so easy to prepare and tastes delicious accompanied with chips, corn, coleslaw and a side salad if that's what rocks your world. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button, which will enable us to create more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.